Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And I'm Shrija Chaturvedi.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits. From the first episode to the current setup,
Oh, yes.
how does it look like now? Broke
Oh.
Studio, huh?
Good
Yeah.
afternoon, everyone. It started
Yeah, we never.
Yeah, it is.
First episode.
Free-flowing conversation.
free flowing.
Free-flowing,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
it should look like we were in the middle of
Yes.
talking
Yeah, exactly.
already.
You just
yeah.
captured us
Yeah.
in the middle of a conversation.
Yeah, I just we were talking and ये cameraman कौन है?
Yeah.
ये कौन है? ये कौन
Suddenly,
खड़ा है यहाँ पर?
sneakily, teen camera. They just came in from somewhere. And you were speaking
Feels
anyway.
what a journey, yaar. What a journey to be here.
What a journey through time.
This is
Man.
the last episode of Broke Studio. This is
We
how
bookend it. We bookend our podcast with Shrija Chaturvedi.
Yeah, what a pleasure from a small little Airbnb to this huge, massive studio to be with y'all. You know, it's
Well,
an honor.
Yeah, we built this brick by brick with
Yeah.
our
Brick by
every
brick.
subscriber.
with every subscriber. There are 5,000 bricks in this building.
But you know, recently मैं एडिनबरा में थी ना.
Ooh,
मेरा show था उधर.
See,
तो उधर this one girl came up to me and she was like, she mentioned some information about me. I was like, how do you know this? I've not said this. She's like, you said it on Broke Studio.
Damn.
So you'll have some like crazy, like, you know, very loyal listeners. Yeah,
That's
across
right.
this
Breaking
world.
important news.
so give one more like information now, so that the next
Yeah.
time
Yeah.
we'll check if she's still watching.
Yeah, that's only here,
Breadcrumb.
nowhere
this
else.
breadcrumb goes nowhere
Chal,
else.
theek hai. Okay, let me think of an information that's like purely over here.
Yeah, no one else can get this
My
one.
shoe size
Oh,
is 6.
crazy. Now they're going to show up with shoes for you in every venue.
Exactly.
Like, yeah, Broke Studio, Broke Studio. Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome. You're getting married apparently.
Yeah, last time you were single. This time you're getting married.
Life has changed. It's
crazy.
Life
Upside
changes.
down.
Yeah, life changes.
News ready for your second innings, as they say in the office. And they say second,
With
and
your-
then cricket there are no thirds. So it's like second, and it's done.
Man, it's so, abhi, like, because we're self-employed.
Yes.
So it's very strange to know for how much time should you not be working.
Yeah.
Around the wedding, like मतलब
हाँ.
ऑफिस वगैरह में तो you apply for leave, so it's like fixed कि अभी शादी के
Yes.
एक हफ्ते पहले और एक हफ्ते बाद तक तुम लीव ले लो या
Yes.
2 हफ्ते बाद तक.
But now it's
उसके
up
बाद
to you.
चुपचाप या.
हाँ.
Now it's up to me. तो I'm feeling a slight slackening in my attitude. और मुझे डर लग रहा है इससे.
But क्या
with my
मतलब, what is there
tendencies.
to be done that other than being married? Any like what else do you have to worry about right now?
यार बहुत कुछ होता है एक मैरिज में शामिक.
Okay.
It's the marriage of two families.
Oh,
and, you know,
it's like
and मुझे सेव करने हैं सबके numbers उसकी family में.
oh god.
It is actually work, guys.
Yeah,
It is
yeah.
it's like putting up a fest only.
It's tiring, of course.
like a
and-
cultural fest,
A cultural
but
fest.
only 2 people in the organizing committee.
Yeah, only two. No, actually, the problem is you don't even select the organizing committee.
Yeah.
The organizing committee just hand it to you,
Yeah.
and now you have to deal with this committee
Yes.
who is not even going to respond to your orders or anything.
Okay.
Also, it's the
Yeah.
only cultural fest where if it's never repeated, then it's a success.
Yeah, it's
Most cultural fests, you're like, let's do it again next year. We're
the
like,
longest
never
running,
again. Yes.
longest running cultural
Yeah, one and done.
Oh man, one learning from the first episode I've had
Okay,
to now is to put my mic down every time I'm laughing.
please, yeah.
Because I saw मैं देखती हूँ सारे. Do you all see the episodes or things you all
we
come
have
We
to,
have to edit,
we
yeah.
have to watch the edit.
Broke Studio nahi, but like if you go on like relationship or
yeah.
I'll see some of what I've said. I'll just-
I see my best moments.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
like, damn, that was a
In
good one.
Yeah, in a panel, dude, I don't even know there's a panel when I'm watching it. I see me,
Yeah.
and it's all
Yeah.
blurred.
Yeah.
It's like that filter in Google Meets I put on behind it becomes blurred, and it's just me now.
Just
yeah,
me.
exactly.
Yeah.
And it's like even when they send it like कि ये edit के लिए if you want to see. Like I not just see I fast forward others
Yeah.
Yeah.
and I like skip to all my parts
Yeah.
if I even rewind and watch it
Yeah,
again.
true.
You download
Some
that
part.
bit
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
keep it as your
I was like,
screensaver.
oh.
Do you make a reel like she didn't hesitate and then just played it yourself?
You make a
Damn.
page called Shrija Paglu and upload it from there as a fan.
I've thought about it. I've thought about having a second.
Do you have a
account.
fan page? No?
Oh no, that's not
That
cool.
is that's not fair, guys.
Let's
Come
do
on.
it, guys.
Come
Someone
on.
in the comments, please
So you know,
make...
there was one fan page, but it was run by a total creep.
Oh
Okay.
no.
So then I blocked the fan page.
Oh, okay, so
But
not
it's
that person.
long ago. This was like right after comics.
Yeah, it's a
started.
very thin line
Yeah.
between fan and creep sometimes.
It has to be run by a girl only who like
Yeah, who's a
Yeah.
fan for the right reasons,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah,
It's difficult.
yeah.
It's better
Matlab
to
ki-
just employ someone.
Yeah.
Like many people do. I've
Many
heard.
people do. They have their own
Yeah.
PR teams that run
Yeah.
it.
Haan, or it's like just some NRI creep who can't reach me types.
Then it's fine.
But then
Yeah,
your
so-
international tour also
Oh,
will
my
be
international
impacted.
tour, it could,
yeah,
no,
you
I
got
didn't
a
have
Z
a
category security. While abroad.
Here she's roaming around there with black cat
There,
commando.
over there, you are like Harsh Gujral. Like you have like 10 people behind
An
you.
entourage.
Your entourage.
That's a
to go
power.
to like a 200-seater venue.
250-seater.
Oh, my bad, my bad.
First
I
two
wanted-
rows,
Bahar,
first two
5
rows are your
bodyguards.
security guards in the audience. It's the third row say the real audience.
If you'll had to get bodyguards, how many bodyguards will you get?
What a
This is,
question.
Yeah.
this is a
Well, I
conversation.
got one body, so one bodyguard.
Yeah, one
Depending on how
bodyguard.
many bodies need to be protected.
One bodyguard and one sniper always following.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
sniper.
Always
Helicopter.
following.
One bodyguard and one sniper who's pointed at the bodyguard. If he's acting over smart, he takes the sniper out.
Yeah.
Takes the bodyguard out.
Yeah, and a chopper above the sniper. So just-
I got to Kerala a couple of months ago, and there was one. They do this combination of Kathakali and Kalari.
Pait, yeah.
Pait.
yeah, Kalari Pit.
Kalari Pait.
Yeah.
You know that? That's their martial art.
Yeah. जो वो खम्बे
yeah.
मलखम
that-
type होता है, right?
yeah, it's like-
no, sorry, I think I've
No,
got
no,
it
no.
fully
It's
wrong.
just swords and
Swords,
shields
like-
and
Correct.
So,
yeah, sorry.
So we saw the Kathakali show, and then there was a little break, and same venue they're doing the Kalari Pait.
Nice.
But for that, we're like, wait, why are there so few people for this event? Front two rows are empty. So we had the third row, and so my mom was like, should we just move forward? I'm like, no, it's a good
Yeah.
place. They leave those empty because they throw their swords,
Yeah.
and fire is falling in the first two rows. One shield is going.
Had you all moved there?
No, we didn't. They don't allow. Thankfully, it was like, dude, my mom was like, we should move back
Oh,
now 2 rows. And
You
back
thought this
was
was like a
full.
district concert. Hey,
Yeah.
let's go to the gold section.
Yeah, gold section. I get decapitated. Yeah, but I was pretty cool. It was nice.
Man.
Yeah.
But talking about, so you were saying wedding. Yeah, so it's
Wedding, yeah.
cultural
Wedding
festival.
bells.
मुझे बहुत strange लग रहा है तुम लोगों के साथ अपनी wedding discuss करना.
Why, यार?
मुझे
What's
बहुत
the
अच्छा-
issue?
Why not? Yeah, we're all
because
family.
last time I was on a podcast with Shamik, I was fighting with him.
Yeah.
It's all show business.
It's all show business.
There's no business like show business.
and Gautam ke saath I've usually discussed like very venues and technical. We're so
Or
technically
bitching about other
inclined.
comics.
yeah.
Say the-
Yeah.
Only that.
So इससे मुझे
Venues-
बहुत strange लग रहा है अपने wedding feelings.
You can
बताते
bitch
हुए.
about your wedding. Or say technical issues about
Yeah.
whatever.
हाँ उधर भी organizers में थोड़ा सा चलता रहता है, tiff चलता रहता
Are
है.
you getting a drone camera?
हाँ.
नहीं यार मैं
Why
drone
not?
का
You will never need a drone in stand-up. This is the only place you will need it.
but you don't need it.
Well,
यार.
no one
You
needs
need
it.
it.
I mean,
You-
some
what you're
people
saying.
need
I would
it.
rather have a drone at my stand-up show.
What?
You want a drone which like leaves the venue and then it goes up till the whole earth is visible. Like that, and it just keeps going.
While on the sound, your material is going
Yeah,
out.
whoa.
Yeah. And the entire time, I have not even moved an inch on stage. It's
The
just
drone
like
has seen the whole earth and come back.
yeah.
drones-
No drone, यार. Drone मुझे थोड़ा सा it's useless. I feel.
It's not for the live event. Drone is for the after movie. Because in the live event, it's actually very disturbing.
Yeah,
that
that trrr sound.
like
Yeah.
it's very disturbing.
Some kid comes and hits it and it
Yeah.
gets spoiled.
But it's like a very beauty shot यार. थोड़ा मुझे indulgence लगता है.
Over the top लगता है. Literally over the
yeah,
top.
उसमें ऐसे ऊपर से देखने लायक कुछ है नहीं उस शादी में.
It's but you get to see the shadi from an angle no one has seen the
Yeah.
shadi. That's their
Yeah.
whole
and
idea.
no one will ever see also.
Yeah, unless you do your shadi in the ground
Like
floor.
a terrace view types.
Yeah, unless you do
Okay, I
your
will
shadi
consider
right.
it if y'all are like
Yeah.
really keen on it.
Yeah, let
Yeah,
me. I
let's
have
get
a friend
drone.
who's a
Yeah,
drone
commission.
guy.
We'll get a
So
drone
I'm
commission.
getting him some money.
But yeah, I have very like specific ideas of how I want the shots to
Okay,
be.
like what?
Oh,
Like,
here we go.
so it
Drone
was,
doesn't want to work with Shrija anymore. Like this Shrija's got too many
Her
ideas.
own vision.
Create drone is smoking a cigarette outside. Like I got different ideas. Tell.
it's but मुझे यही my ideas are very like it has to be very natural looking. It should capture like real moments, you know. It should not be like orchestrated or choreographed, like you know,
It's all
it's like
candid.
almost documentary style. होना
Yeah, but
चाहिए.
I mean,
But this is not documentary style. What do you want?
documentary style.
Gripping.
Yeah, like after every shot, you do an interview.
Interview.
And like
Yeah. That was one of the toughest days
yeah,
of
and
my
they
life.
put your name Shrija Bride.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
No interview.
It starts with you drinking water. and
Yeah.
you're
Are we on?
Is this
Yeah.
running?
Is this running?
Are we on? Is this? I don't know. यहाँ हम कब पहुंचे मुझे पता भी नहीं चला types. But yeah, like I have very specific.
But that's a
But my
very,
only fear is with this like natural style wo that I don't know if there'll be any emo moments actually happening.
If it doesn't happen,
on
then
the
it's
day.
it's lot
Then
of
it's
waste.
like a total like people.
Yeah,
It'll just be
you're taking a chance.
bored people ke photos.
But the thing is, the magic is slow motion. If you do little slow motion somewhere and add music,
Yeah.
even nothing looks like something.
Yeah.
That's the truth. It looks like something has happened.
That's true, yeah.
Just someone eating and
You're-
someone will smile. There's no way no one smiles
Smile
at your
hoega,
wedding.
smile
And
hoega.
a slow motion smile looks like, wow, humans are
yeah.
connecting.
And I'm really counting on like the elderly ladies of my family to cry and all also.
Oh, you're counting on them.
I'm counting on
You
them.
can just spray some glycerine or
सब
whatever they
पेपर
do in
स्प्रे
their
बीच
eye.
बीच में मैं फेंकती रहूंगी उधर से.
They're crying like that.
In slow-mo drone shot, you'll see the peppers.
Just sneezing shots.
Yeah, you can
People coughing.
you can do like unnecessary stuff that you can do with a slow-mo camera, like that. You know, they poke a balloon with water and the
Yeah.
balloon slowly goes
It's like
away.
a science
Yeah.
science YouTube. This
And the
one,
water
right?
stays
Yeah,
for
at my
half a
wedding,
second.
yeah, this is what I'm. Yeah,
No, but this brief you have given is like I'm pretty sure it's a brief that like a million
Yeah.
people have given.
yeah.
That's
yeah,
true.
yeah,
You are
yeah.
saying something we've heard a lot. You
It's
have to.
very sense. You have to. What's the flavor you put in over there? You have to
Yeah.
put something.
You're saying I'm basic. Y'all
No,
are
I
saying.
mean,
that's not
see,
what I'm
that's not
saying.
what
वो
I
बोल
was-
रहे हो कि
don't put
मेरा
words
जो
in.
आइडिया है वो सबने किया
Fair
हुआ
enough. Okay,
already.
let's start there. Let's see where this goes from now. Yeah.
ठीक है मैंने स्पेसिफिक लाइक वो भी इट्स लाइक आई डोंट वांट कि मैं चल रही हूँ इफ आई एम लाइक डूइंग माय ब्राइडल एंट्री
Yeah.
तो
Any
पीछे से
entry you do on that day
It's a
is
bridal entry. Yeah.
या एनी ऑफ माय एंट्रीज पे मुझे पीछे से ऐसे फोटोग्राफर और वो सब के इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं चाहिए
Yeah,
Oh.
got it, got it,
Okay,
got it.
अभी-
You should let the
Moment happen.
happen. It
या
doesn't-
अभी उसमें जो मिल गया वो ले लो भाई.
Fair. The live experience is more important
Yeah.
than the post.
That's always been my direction style also, you know, when I am
Oh.
shooting other people. Just capture real
Yeah.
Yeah,
moments.
just like
yeah.
this, like with like voyeuristic, right? Voyeur, all
real
voyeur.
moments. Yeah, just someone
Everyone wearing Ray-Ban Meta glasses.
someone burping.
You should do that. Since you're wearing glasses, you should have Ray-Ban Meta. That'll be crazy.
That would be insane.
What everyone's got Ray-Ban.
No, only her.
Oh, from her POV.
Dude, you can get a brand collab. I am not even
That
kidding
is
you.
insane,
I'm not even kidding.
dude.
You do meta glasses while doing the
Yeah.
shadi, right? And you
Oh,
can,
that would be crazy.
You can
That
tell
would be
by
actually-
you look at
And
the.
Aman also has.
Yeah.
Aman
glasses.
also has.
Yeah.
You could do a meta
और पंडित
wedding.
को भी पहना देंगे.
You don't have to put
And when you look at the flame, it'll tell you what's the temperature.
yeah.
How hot
And you'll get
this is.
notification like this much money has been credited.
Yeah.
But that मुझे scary लगता है मेटा वाले sunglasses. थोड़े से मुझे like I was
Oh,
like
you have it?
No, I don't have it yet.
He'll get it, don't worry.
बट उसके जो मैंने रील्स वगैरह देखे उससे लाइक दे टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है अभी
No,
थोड़ा।
let's stick to this
Wedding.
wedding. Yeah. Don't
I keep trying to
taking it
meander.
away from like, oh, actually technology, guys. Let's discuss about the pitfalls of technology.
What are your views on weddings and marriages? Marriage views बता दो।
Weddings, I have a very low opinion of. Marriage, I have an opinion of.
Mine's the opposite.
What?
I like a wedding, it's fun, but marriage?
No, your own, not like.
Yeah.
So you say you will not get married, but you'll have a
I have
wedding.
a wedding party. Just me and my friends.
No bride.
No bride. Bride, come on. It's
I
just
think what you're talking about is a bachelor party.
bachelor party.
Shamik wants a
But
bachelor
more traditional,
party.
a traditional bachelor party.
With a drone.
Yeah, the drone. That's now a new addition to
तुझे
our.
कुर्ता पहनना है बस।
No, I mean marriage is whatever, man. It's good if it's good.
Damn, bro. Said every boy ever.
It's fine, dude.
Marriage
What
is
a
a
cool
social
guy.
construct.
If you're ready, if you guys ready to give up, I don't hold it against you. I mean,
Marriage is it's crazy. Marriage.
But what are we giving up, bhai?
yo, the hustle, the grind.
Marriage is,
Yo,
you know, the focus.
भाई हमारे घर में तो
सब लोग शादी करते
नहीं
हैं.
सॉरी मैं एक बहुत गंदा जोक मारने वाली थी
No,
so let me just stop myself
Grind नहीं करते कोई. That's what you were going to say, right?
हमारे घर पे तो मिक्सर ग्राइंडर होगा
Oh, that was even higher level. I didn't-
कंटिन्यू करने वाले
This will
हैं
never be
Solid,
edited.
solid.
We will keep repeating this joke between
Hey, actually, you know, in these clubs when people go to drink and then they meet people and then they
grind. Huh?
grind, that's like mixer grinder. You first mix. All right. Anyway.
Wow, we have two
All-
jokes to repeat again.
Two mixer grinder jokes.
all singles mixers are grinder mixer.
Not all.
Most.
Yeah,
No,
most,
Like all
yeah.
If
ores
it's-
are minerals, but all minerals are not ores.
Wow, what a nerdy way to look at it.
You also have to try one
No,
grinding.
no, I'm
One
not-
mixer grinder. I think we found a very tough topic. No one has a good joke on mixer
Dude,
grinder.
we have gone away from the wedding now. Good, dude, great.
How many mixer grinders at the wedding?
Yeah. So, what customs will your wedding follow? What,
Customs?
like, which?
What do you mean? You're flying in from somewhere, what?
Arey bhai.
Green zone. I'm coming from green zone, bro. What customs? will
What
we
guys
follow?
like? Which is it a
Oh, मुझे
Now
अभी
you get it.
समझा यार.
अच्छा,
Good
चलेगा,
one,
चलेगा.
funny.
good one, yaar, good one.
हाँ कस्टम्स वगैरह यूजुअल अपने जो रहते हैं यू नो यूजुअल मैरिज
Classic
पैकेज
package.
कस्टम्स
Classic package.
Classic one. Regular margarita.
like a simple silver package you know with minimal
Silver is always a great
Yeah.
package. It's never.
Yeah.
Silver
We-
tells you this is not the best you
Yeah.
could have got.
so हाँ मतलब वो सब हो रहे सी ऑल द फन वाले जो ट्रेडिशंस होते हैं दैट इज लाइक वो तो सबका ही करना है लाइक हल्दी मेहंदी एंड ऑल विच इज लाइक यू नो जिसमें थोड़ा
No, I'm
नाच
South
गाना
Indian. I
होगा
have none of those.
Yeah.
हाँ यार तुम लोग का लाइक आई एम रियली अप्रिशिएटिंग द साउथ
South Indian wedding is like super
weddings.
early in the morning.
Quick.
Firstly.
If you go, you'll feel like you're like
Yeah.
intruding a wedding when you go
Unwelcome.
there. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
oh
yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
they really don't want us there.
That's true. It's for
Why
kind
are
of
they
private.
shocked to see us?
Yeah,
Yeah, North it's
it's
really
just like
uh,
it's 45 minutes. That's it.
yeah.
That's so good यार
How
ऐसे
long is the
quickly
North
फटाफट.
Indian wedding? Actually, the actual ceremony.
अभी मैं अपनी दोस्त की वेडिंग में थी 3 hours चला
The ceremony.
At night, the 2 a.m. one.
या रात वाले वो
बारात
फेरे
and all.
वगैरह
Late night,
नहीं
very
not
late
बारात
night.
this is just
the actual wedding, right? With the flower throwing and the
yeah the वो
फेरे.
फेरे
How
and-
seven, right?
Saat fere.
seven
Yeah,
फेरे
How does that take 3 hours?
yeah because उसके बीच में there's like a lot of
there's a
explanations
lot
So
of-
there is
and-
one fere and then there's explanation.
Yeah, there's
in
a lot
two
of
feres.
Ah,
unskippable
so you take-
ads.
Oh, yeah.
Lot of
you,
unskippable
so you
ads.
take
yeah.
one then there's like some
Some ritual.
yeah throwing something in the
Yeah.
fire then there's like
Yeah, I was in a wedding where my friend's wedding 10 years ago now, and they did the ceremony. It was in Mumbai, and then they were like two pujaris were they were like together. There were two of them, like Sidhe Maut. Three
Yeah,
of them were
yeah,
working. And then they were done, and it's done.
Yeah.
They're like everyone clapped, and then the old like the grandmother came back and said, "What do you mean done? You didn't do this, this, and this."
yeah
So they did like they
Ten fere.
They did they just did more rituals. They opened the book. They okay, we will do this one
Oh.
also. They
This
added
happens a
some.
lot.
Yeah?
So it's like it's
Was
not
it
even like
grandmother like you forgot 3 bits?
Yeah, you didn't do these bits. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
man.
that's the thing.
Paisa
But
vasool.
North Indians will not even give up authority
Yeah.
at the mandap.
Yeah.
So it's like a pandit aa gaya. We've hired this
Yeah,
guy
yeah,
to come do this.
Yeah, he's making a
We
pandit
should-
do clap push-ups.
Yeah.
Like, can you do some? Show me.
Yeah. It's like, well, it's like typical. Sorry, मुझे नहीं बोलना. Basically, they will come and they'll be like, आपने ये तो गलत कर दिया. Like, then everyone will start getting into this war of कि
Yeah,
भाई हमें
I know
ज़्यादा
better.
पता है
Yeah.
about this.
It's a
This
ego.
religious ritual that you're
I
doing
know.
and all.
In our time, we had done this, so this is the only way to do it. There's always someone in the family, one relative, who everyone's like, this person knows.
Yeah, it's just to.
Dude, this you're very true.
Yeah.
But I know it through a morbid this
Yeah,
one.
same,
When
death-
my
death
grandmother passed away, my
There also.
father's mother, and I was in Kerala that time,
Yeah.
luckily, and that time. We went and all those things, and we were figuring out.
Yeah.
And everyone was like, "Call this guy.
Yeah.
This guy knows what to do." And
Yeah,
someone
there
else,
is
like,
one
what
guy
kind
like
of
that, yeah.
weird job description this
Yeah,
guy
he never
has.
Yeah.
meets anyone in life, but in death, you need to call this number.
Yeah.
Always.
And then I don't know, then they just assume like this entire character also
Yeah.
will, with a somber face,
Yeah.
a frown and just authority,
Yeah.
just like, yeah. And if they have to question about something, or it'll always be like, ये नहीं किया तुम लोग ने.
Yeah.
ये करना भूल गए.
What's the
Yeah.
point?
Yeah.
Let's see what I can do. Let's see if we can turn this around somehow.
Dude, this is exactly what
Yeah.
happened. So it was, I forgot, some festival it was. I forgot which one. So we had to tell in the newspaper, we had to put
Yeah.
over there. So the newspaper is shut for this festival. So the office is shut.
Yeah.
So I was given the responsibility to call the newspaper guy and all. I called and they were like, bro, nobody's
Yeah.
there in office and all. And I went and reported to this guy,
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Dead guy. Right, and this guy's like, let me figure out what I can do.
Yeah.
And I like,
He called a dead number.
yeah, one guy, yeah, dead
We
number.
talk to the dead and like,
And then he's like, yeah,
Yeah.
just give it to me in writing. I'll get it done and all those things.
He's like,
Yeah, I love this is actually, it's great that he actually got it done. But a lot of times even they won't be able to do it. They'll make a, वो कह रहे हैं कि आज नहीं हो पाएगा,
Yeah.
कि आज बंद है.
They'll
They'll
come
just
back with something you could have.
Same information that I
Yeah.
gave. Yes, okay,
Yeah.
thank you,
also,
uncle.
even in this situation, right, a lot of times someone wants to be patted on the back. So they
Yeah.
say, I know this person, he'll get it done. And then they'll get you in touch with this person.
Yeah.
That person say, nahi ho raha, they'll be like, aaj nahi ho paega. And you're like, you didn't do anything then. You just wasted 10 of my minutes, basically.
And then they'll come at random points in the date. You're like, वो बात हो गई थी ना उनसे, उन्होंने काम करवा दिया ना तुम्हारा, हो गया ना तुम्हारा.
Yeah. It's like, remember me, remember
Yeah.
me.
Remember
I did
ना,
this.
आने नहीं चलता है वो
अरे.
थोड़ा हम जान पहचान में इसलिए हो गया.
All this is
हमारा.
required when the system is pure corruption, right? When nothing works according
Yeah,
to
yeah.
like
Yeah,
a system,
yeah.
you need
need a
to
contact.
Yeah, you need everything
you
is
need a guy,
through contact.
a link.
Yeah, a link. And no one with death, especially, people are
Yeah.
not comfortable around it, and understandably
Correct.
so. So these people are like, this is my comfort zone.
Yeah.
No one will claim this
Yeah,
from me.
Hades.
No one is trying to
Hades
break
is a
into this market.
lot of
you know?
death.
I'm the dead guy.
Yeah. But all this pujari selection and all those things, is that up to you guys or is that your families take care of it?
Family.
And is
Both
there
are
like
family.
a
Big boss. There's a big boss.
Is there like
pujari.
like a listing, a ranking? Is there something like that?
No, so there's like a usually there's a family Guruji
Pujari.
always.
Okay.
So he has been contacted and was spoken
Yeah.
to. And the thing is, everything else you can have an opinion on, but not this.
Okay.
So like if at this point like इन सब चीज़ों में अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मुझे फीमेल पंडित जी चाहिए तो everyone just है इनका भाई खत्म ही नहीं होता है भाई क्या
Like here we
पागल हो
draw
क्या?
the line. Here
Yeah.
we just do what has to be done.
Yeah, now just shut up and do what we're asking you to do.
Okay.
Like it's
Okay.
it goes into that zone.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, I've
yeah,
seen that.
the opinions are for every other logistic apart from
Got it.
this.
So his calendar is blocked.
His calendar's blocked. Yeah.
For long. It's been a while since his calendar has
It's
been
the
blocked.
first calendar that was blocked.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the first.
That's
one.
crazy, huh? He's like
Boy,
in demand.
advance booking, yeah.
Yeah, he's been booked out till 2030.
Why?
Yeah.
Because he knows the dates before we do.
Oh.
क्योंकि वही डेट वेट बताते हैं ना
Oh,
वो
so
ऐसे
does he
निकाल
give you
के।
based on his availability also? It's like, oh,
Oh, I have nothing on. Yeah, this is a great day. The stars. by stars are aligned, I mean I am
Yeah,
available.
yeah.
Then that is the stars
yeah, you
aligned.
had to book a flight from from this show.
Oh wait, that gig is being extended. Oh,
Yeah.
stars are slightly misaligned again.
Yeah.
They've been
I have a
shifted to
Pujari
stars.
festival I have on
Yeah.
17th and 18th, 19th.
Pujari Festival. Sunburn Pujari. Their edition. It's a rave.
Right, okay,
He's
so-
all hungover in the wedding. He's getting ego
Oh
death.
my God.
He's getting IV
Yeah.
outside.
Please do not cut to me laughing at these jokes, okay?
Come on, man.
Do not.
He's drinking that fast and up.
Oh my God.
Fast and up at your wedding. It's like 2 days rave ho gaya, bhai.
Red Bull and all the time for energy. But
I have put my mind down.
Not your wedding, just at our
yeah,
wedding.
anybody's wedding, man. But
Yeah.
this guy is-
नहीं, नहीं,
February में नहीं होता ये सब.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like so much we tried कि कुछ एक off season type वो कर ले so that we get
But this,
things cheaper.
okay, date is not public. Date, you don't want to say anything.
Date is not
Okay,
public.
cool.
No,
but
no,
it's
no,
off season, right?
It's not off season.
Oh, it's not
It's
off-season.
like peak season.
What?
Peak. Yeah.
What is off season then? Summer.
Off. So the thing is, apparently, it's like. मुझे भी नहीं मालूम off season क्या होता
I
I
है.
thought this is season
this
right now.
December.
This is season. So it is
continues.
November, December is season. Then Jan becomes unseason.
Unseasonal.
Because
Yeah.
right after December.
Oh, right
And then
December.
again it starts.
Then again
Okay.
February.
Actually, it makes sense
main
because
season.
weather is pleasant then.
And then I think May onwards
Yeah,
season
it's
goes
the
away.
transition of
Yeah.
seasons.
तो एक मई जून में भी एक सीजन आता है.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, this
for
is
the
maybe
summer
in
Very
wedding.
a-
weird.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, I
a
don't know.
calendar based thing.
It's
maybe.
fully
Ah.
calendar based. Yeah.
We
it's
don't
fully-
decide the seasons. Yeah.
Okay.
They have the
So
power.
Pujari is booked.
Yeah. Will you all do like an off-season wedding or in-season wedding?
That's why, like, I don't. Wedding is like, I have no problem with court marriage.
I might just.
Well, honestly, yeah. Like as you start as seeing your task list,
Yeah.
even I was like, court wedding में
yeah,
कोई issue
food,
Yeah.
नहीं
court,
है.
food court. You can get
Food
some
court marriage,
Get
yeah.
some people some meals also.
Yeah, outside the KFC, opposite the KFC.
Yeah,
big
they should
Infinity
have a-
Mall में आ जाइएगा आप सब.
Wow Momo और KFC के बीच में.
Why don't they have a buffet thing in the
Food
court?
court, right?
No,
That-
actual court
actual
for marriage.
court.
You do court marriage and you get some
Oh,
food there. and
that's
then-
awesome.
होएगा यार उधर होएगा ही
होएगा
कुछ
क्या?
कैंटीन वगैरह.
नहीं, that can't.
I know they
I
have
don't
a wedding chair. I have found
Yeah.
out in the court here. So
Yeah.
after wedding, you can take a photo.
How
with
you
your-
know भाई? How you
अरे
know?
यार अभी married people were talking about it. That's the thing about married people. They will talk about their
Yeah.
marriage.
Yeah, yeah,
A
Keep
lot,
yapping on a podcast about
Yeah,
their
you
wedding.
just you got
कितना तुम लोगों ने मुझे exploit किया है.
not you. You are not yet married, so that's
Yeah.
fine. You
Yeah.
can talk until the marriage.
नहीं नहीं लगता तो है इतना
Once you're
खर्चा
married,
किया
you get
है.
1 month, and after that,
Yeah.
enough.
It's like that Happy New Year. You can't say
Fair
after
enough.
Jan 15th, you can't say Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Just like that, after 1 month of the wedding, can't talk about the
Yeah,
wedding. You
time
guys
to-
are now.
Fair enough.
You're
yeah.
married now.
Yeah.
New chapter.
No, but I may continue speaking about it on podcasts.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Go for it.
Yeah.
You wanna-
Because I'm imagining there will be some podcasts that where I will specifically talk about each of my looks and all.
Oh.
Like a fashion
Oh.
dissection of my looks.
Sure,
and all.
that's fine. That's
Yeah.
purely fashion. That's different.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a
purely
different thing
fashion.
Okay,
yeah.
let me ask you this: if Indian marriage, as it's the opulence that it displays,
Hmm.
if that was not a part of it,
Hmm.
and the fashion element wasn't in it, would you be like, marriage not that
हाँ,
interesting?
अगर फैशन ही नहीं है फिर तो क्या पॉइंट है वाई वेयर
Oh, so and wedding or marriage?
वेडिंग
Wedding,
Wedding,
right?
wedding. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
वेडिंग
no, yeah.
Wedding,
फैशन
wedding.
नहीं है उसमें
Then you
देन
don't need to-
व्हाट इज ऑल दिस एफर्ट फॉर
True.
It's
Yeah,
a-
am I going to someone else's wedding or my wedding? How will I know?
Okay, interesting.
Fair enough.
Fair
How
enough.
will you
From
know?
you being on the stage, that
Yeah,
is how
we-
you'll know.
Whatever you're wearing, we will know these are the ones getting married. The ones not allowed to talk to anyone right now, who are just suffering on stage. They are the ones getting married.
Specifically, fashions first wala like वो है मेरा attitude.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's
Fair.
like yeah.
Hey, tell me something. Because when we go to the wedding, this thing happens, which is the people getting married it seems like they are suffering the most on this day. Everyone else is having a blast.
Yeah.
Why is it like that, and why can't we change that? And are
Yeah.
you trying to change that in your marriage?
This
Do
is like
you-
a Shark Tank episode. Like, why? The biggest problem with weddings
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah, I feel interviewed very
आपका
much.
EBITDA क्या है? EBITDA.
EBITDA भाई कुछ earnings तो जब gifts मिले उसके बाद EBITDA पता चलेगा मुझे. No tax भाई, marriage gifts have no tax.
This is how they keep you wanting to do.
So, I
that.
mean, yeah, you can keep getting married. But never mind.
Tax
Oh
exempt.
yeah, for how many marriages is
Tax
it
exempt.
exempt?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
no rule. I think.
That's
My
crazy, yeah.
uncle must be really tax free then, if this is the case.
Dude, same thing with all these.
My uncle
Even the corporates we do.
Never been taxed.
has never been
Tax free
every
since
year around
93.
tax season. He has a new wife.
New year, new tax.
New wife.
New year, no tax.
New wife.
No, even all the corporates we do is mainly as a tax. It's for tax benefit. They do those events for
Really?
the company because they
Like
it's tax
employee
free.
benefit.
It's
huh?
tax free, and
What's
they can
tax free?
anything for employee benefit. Any event that you do,
Acha.
it's you,
Really?
yeah. So
I
they
mean, they're tax free there is taxing here.
for us it's
Ah.
tax. But also they can write off more expenses. I feel there's something they can do to
Yeah, I'm
balance
sure.
the book.
Otherwise, why would they do
Yeah,
it?
like I did a gig now and it was like the name itself was Glitzy, Bonanza, Gala. And
Yeah,
I'm like,
yeah.
I see what you did with this
Yeah,
name. You can
yeah.
show them it was Glitzy, Gala, guys. We
Gala.
spent so much. Crores were spent.
Yeah.
Actually, it's just me doing 30 minutes. It was not at all. a
हाँ
lot
तो
of money.
इसलिए हमेशा ऐसे Q3 Q4 में ही ये सब events ज़्यादा
Yeah.
वो शुरू
It's
हो
all
जाता
to,
है.
yeah, that year's money.
Because
you have
then
to-
now they're like exhausting budgets
Yeah,
and all.
That's right. That's right.
But it just so in terms of the looks that you were saying, you have already planned out how many looks your wedding will have.
I've planned out and there's like proper this thing like I want to showcase the crafts of India.
Oh, wow.
My body is a canvas for
Jesus, okay.
Okay. How many crafts are you displaying total? Like looks, how many looks are there?
let me see. There's a Zardozi.
Whoa.
What's
Yeah,
Zardozi?
there's a
That's
Zardozi's
France's
embroidery.
ex-prime minister.
Yeah,
right?
that is yeah.
He's in jail now. Sarkozy.
Sarkozy.
Yeah,
Zardozi.
Sarkozy, yeah. Nicolas Sarkozy, right?
Sardozi. And
Yeah.
Zardozi.
What is
then-
Sardozi? Sorry. Yeah.
Zardozi is embroidery. It's embroidery with like sequins and like little glittery things.
Okay.
Oh, there's a photo of
Zardozi.
Okay.
Zardozi. Okay. Interesting.
Okay, it's like a
Okay.
got it.
Okay. It's like it
Is it
jumps
from
off.
a part of the country?
It's 3D. Yeah. Is it from any part of the country?
It's mostly
Sorry, I didn't think you expected.
follow-up questions
I
were
didn't
not
expect
expected.
this curiosity, but mostly वो ये यूपी वगैरह में
got
जरदोजी
it.
वगैरह
What are the
ज़्यादा
other
होता है.
looks?
Then there's बनारसी. बनारसी तो तुम
From
लोगों ने सुना
Banaras.
होगा.
Banaras, right?
That
Yeah.
one I know.
Got it.
That's
What
a
is
sari.
Banarsi?
Sari.
Yes, it can be a suit also, but like what is
It's a
it?
type of stitch, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Great, yes. So it's basically it's again like gold threads से
Gold thread.
gold threads से sometimes it's golden in color और real gold से भी बनाया जाता है.
That will be very
रेशम
weak.
का
No?
धागा
Gold is
कहते हैं
not a
उसे.
Yeah,
very
it's-
strong metal.
Yeah.
It's a very malleable metal.
Yeah.
हाँ तो उसकी thread भी बन जाती है.
So, but I
So
think
that's why there are like some
they alternate
sarees
with
Yeah.
cloth. Yeah.
that are for like 2.5-3 lakhs and all because उस पे जो वो embroidery है वो real gold के धागे से की गई है.
Wow.
Okay, so that's Banarasi. That's day
That's-
2.
हाँ
Day
हाँ that's handloom पे बनाया जाता है वो.
Okay.
Handloom पता है?
मोटरसाइकिल चला
Are
के
you
ले
going on a bike to the handloom store?
हैंडलूम मशीन जो है वो ऐसे ही
Go like this, handloom store से खरीद के
जैसे
वो come
चरखा
back.
ऐसे चलाया जाता है ना हैंडलूम ऐसे चलाया
ठीक है
जाता है.
हैंडलूम से हो गया
हाँ ठीक है.
And then?
ये बनारसी है
हाँ.
जरदोजी हो गया. चिकनकारी तो तुम
वो
लोग को मालूम है.
Lucknowi.
हाँ,
Chicken curry.
yeah.
I know chicken. I remember that from Lucknow because I've
Lucknow,
been there.
Lucknow,
Lucknowi
Agra.
chicken.
Chicken gunya, I know.
Yeah, that's similar.
Yeah, similar.
No,
yeah.
it's not. That's a disease.
Yeah, I
chicken
know.
gunya.
टेक्सचर मतलब वो इट्स वाइट थ्रेड से जो होती है.
Okay.
अब उसमें और कलर इज यॉर्निंग of
I'm not
okay.
yawning, yeah.
No, no, no.
Charming.
I'm yawning out of
Get-
curiosity. So, it's a curious yawn.
Curious yawn. It's like, oh, tell me more.
No, I know Lucknowi chicken. That's why I was yawning.
There's
I know this
Lucknowi
one.
chicken. There's bandhani.
Bandhani, that means getting together, not tying together.
Tie.
Bandhana.
Yeah, yeah.
Bandhani.
So that's tie dye.
Oh, tie-dye. Tie-dye is like what rappers wear.
Yeah, yeah. It's become a rapper thing
Oh,
also
yeah,
now.
tie-dye. Oh, nice,
But yeah,
nice,
it's usually it's like
I heard
ऐसे-
Banarasi is also going to be the next rapper's look. They're going to
It
be
will
wearing.
be. अब कौन है वो अपनी?
Actually, they do wear gold also. A
Yeah.
lot, so.
अब बनारसी पहुंच जाएगा. बनारसी motifs and all already. कई
Kolhapur is
सारे-
already there. Prada
Oh,
is
yeah,
already
Prada.
Prada has already
Kolhapuri.
like stolen it.
Yeah.
Wow,
Zarna
man.
Garg is wearing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Prada.
Yeah.
This the Birkenstocks also, if you look at them,
Yeah.
they have a certain look like, yeah, I feel like this is a little bit like a Kolhapuri chappal. It looks a little
Yeah.
Indian Purana look, but
Fair
It looks like you
enough.
bought from a pharmacy.
Yes,
Birkenstock. That's the
yes.
problem. It's like it doesn't look like you bought from a shoe store.
I don't get
You
it.
bought
honestly.
from Apollo.
I think the comfort is, of course, got to be
Comfort
amazing.
But
तो
it's not
है
comfortable
यार.
on your eyes. That's the
yeah,
problem.
you wear
Really?
Birkenstock, right?
I wear Birks यार.
Yeah,
तुम लोग को Birkenstock नहीं पसंद?
मुझे तो नहीं पसंद.
मेरे को तो अच्छा उसकी एक लुक तो है यार उसकी
Look
एक है एक.
And it ages badly, no?
It ages horribly.
Yeah.
It ages and starts looking very cheap.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Very
Yeah.
cheap. Like it looks yeah.
Like some,
Okay.
like some Raj Kapoor
Glad that
films.
we have agreed. What?
Like some Raj Kapoor films.
Oh.
It ages poorly.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which one? मैंने नहीं देखी एक भी actually.
Exactly my point. I don't know why I picked
But
Raj
It
Kapoor.
aged so bad मुझे
From
amnesia हो
all
गया.
of these, you have not brought anything from the south. Where's Kanchipuram?
So Kanchivaram, I have bought Mysore silk.
Mysore silk.
Mysore
Mysore
silk.
Pak, I've heard.
Yeah,
Huh?
Mysore silk is also big.
Mysore
silk.
silk होता है भाई बहुत पॉपुलर. Mysore silk की साड़ी मैंने पहनी है.
क्या what?
वो मैं अपना maybe like a small बिदाई event type में पहनूंगी शायद.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
a lot.
yeah. There's Mangalgiri cotton
What,
from
how long is this wedding,
Yeah.
man? like,
It's like
outfits.
4
बहुत
weddings and a funeral. It's 2 days, right? 3
2
days.
2 days.
2 days and 3 changes each day. So 6.
2 days, 2ish changes. Beach
Four.
wale buffer clothes will be chill.
Buffer clothes will be like proper, like
Yeah,
regular.
just maybe like a hand block
H&M.
print or something.
Oh, sorry. No, there's-
H&M there's no place for foreign brands on
Oh,
those 2 days.
beautiful.
But it's made in Tamil Nadu only.
It's Indian
It's
only.
made in Bangladesh, foreign है वो.
H&M is Tamil Nadu manufactured.
I thought-
Really?
No, H&M is foreign brand, but the plant is here.
Oh,
think so, yeah.
but most of
We
the
can
clear
check right
clothes-
now, actually.
Yeah, it's an Indian brand. It's basically Indian brand now. Harish
हाँ,
and
but उसके
Mukesh.
mostly तो सब made in Bangladesh, made in Cambodia type होते हैं
Could
ना.
be. I mean, it's all our brothers only.
Hey, once your wedding is over, what do you do with those outfits? Do they wear them in life or are they retired permanently?
So that's why. So that's also something I've kept in mind.
Sustainable.
Sustainability, and that's why I've bought stuff that I can wear again. Maybe not my wedding sari.
That will just be there, yeah.
Yeah, because वो तो बहुत red है, बहुत ज़्यादा
Yeah,
red
that's
है.
not, yeah, that's a sari
Yeah, that's,
for wedding.
Yeah, it's like an Oscar gown types. आप उसको वापस कहीं इधर उधर नहीं पहन सकते.
Yeah, for the role of wife.
For role of wife.
But yeah, it's very red always, na, our weddings, the saris.
I mean अब तो और colors भी कर रही हैं brides explore, but मैंने उसे red maroon रखा.
Last year, whose celebrity wedding that off-white became so popular? Kiara Advani.
Kiara was baby pink.
Baby pink. Someone else,
Yeah.
off-white became like super
Off-white was
popular.
I think Alia Bhatt.
Alia Bhatt, yeah.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
I really have to do some catching up on the
Guys, come on,
wedding
man.
outfits.
There was Dia Mirza who wore a Banarsi sari
Oh.
for a wedding. Sonakshi Sinha brought Banarsi back.
She brought it
Brought
back.
Yeah, in fact,
Wow,
अब एक
from
वो-
Banaras, right? That she visited.
there is a particular type of like वो weave. A particular type of motif that is now become like synonymous with her, Chantara.
With Sonakshi.
Yeah, in the sense
Because
in
she wore
Banarsi, it's
it
like
and,
you see it, you're like, oh, अच्छा ये तो सोनाक्षी सिन्हा ने ऐसे वाला पहना था.
Man. So our beautiful arts and crafts
Yeah.
are being put on the map by Sonakshi and people
And
like
me.
that. And you.
True.
And me.
By entertainment. Like every industry, The entertainment industry
Yeah,
is
it's
propping
like
them up.
you're
Yeah.
like under the shade of the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
These little plants can
these plants will grow.
Beautiful.
मतलब क्योंकि हम ही बचा सकते हैं हमारे
True.
ट्रेडिशन और कल्चर को, you know.
True.
Amazing, यार. Looking forward to it.
अभी तुम लोग को अभी इंडिया से कुछ क्राफ्ट या कल्चर या कुछ चीज प्रमोट करनी है, तुम लोग क्या करोगे?
Hajmola.
Vimal Pan Masala.
I'm genuinely Hajmola. I'm addicted. As a kid, I was addicted to Hajmola.
So you want to make it like a global phenomenon. You want to keep it alive for
I've seen
generations to come.
videos where they have foreigners try
First time.
Hajmola. They're like, yo,
Yeah.
bro, this is
And
this
then,
is bro.
and then when it hits Candyman, you should give them Candyman.
Candyman?
Candyman or Pulse?
Pulse, sorry, Pulse.
Pulse,
That
जिसके
will
अंदर
knock
होता है.
them
Yeah,
out.
I've seen that also. Pulse say like, yeah, this is great, this is great. And then they bite it. They're like, they get out of the chair. Hold up, hold up. But Hajmola, the goli, 6-pack it used to come.
Six pack.
Yeah,
for
6-pack,
like black beer.
Yeah, you have it, digestion happens
Hey,
when
what
you get a
is, was
6-pack.
Hajmola not a thing?
No,
for y'all?
in South India, Hajmola is not popular at all.
What are you
Bangalore, bro.
saying?
No, Bangalore is more of a metro,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Like, I was rural South India.
Dude, I love the taste of that yellow Hajmola,
Yellow,
original
yeah.
one.
No, mine Imli is
Imli,
better.
many
yeah.
people loved. I was the original one.
Okay, you are classic salted.
Yeah, I would have one, then I would have two at a time.
Original, but
I would have two at a time. Then I would at one point have all 6
Yeah,
together.
that's insane.
And that
That's
became my
mad.
daily routine. 3 times I would have like 18 Hajmola a day.
You're mad, dude.
So
And that,
my family, I keep saying that I've permanently digested food. I'm not able to put on weight because of that. And once we were playing some hide and seek in our apartments, and I put 6 together, and my usual routine. And then I started like
Choking.
like that. There was like a burning thing
Yeah.
because it went down the wrong pipe kind of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
And I was coughing. And my friends are like, dude, we'll get caught, you idiot. And they
Yeah.
started shaking. They thought I'm acting for some
Uh-huh.
reason. I'm match fixing. in hide and seek.
Yeah.
And then they saw I'm like really choking. Then they had to take me to someone's house to drink water. And when we went to that house, we were accused of cheating because you can't hide inside people's houses. That was the only rule.
oh, no one caught you till then.
No.
And they really took their time with your choking.
But they also
Chala
were like,
kar lekar
let's,
gaye.
yeah, they took their time. They were like, sharp. Obviously, that's what kids do. Like,
Yeah.
But yeah, I used to go crazy with Hajmola.
Hey, Gautam, where have you grown up?
Kerala.
Dubai.
Thrissur. I mean, initially Dubai, 10 years in Dubai, and then the rest of my life in Kerala.
Thrissur.
Thrissur.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Rural town. Not
Okay,
rural,
then-
it's like a tier 2 city.
हाँ no, I've been to Thrissur.
Yeah, it's a wonderful city.
सुंदर है यार, बहुत सुंदर है.
Yeah.
वो तो.
No Hajmola and all.
How did it feel to grow up in like greenery and all?
It's nice. I don't see the whole thing when people say that we went to Kerala, dude, it's so green. It's almost like I am like colorblind when I go
Yeah,
there.
it's your house. Yeah.
Like
Fair
I
enough.
don't really see the
Yeah, plants. It's
You know,
plants.
ये हमें तो ये चंडीगढ़ में लगा. You know, me and Siddharth Dudeja had gone to Chandigarh once. और वहाँ पर Dudeja was like, man, this is so green, यार. This crazy tree देख यार. I'm not exact. This is how he tree इतना क्या मस्त tree है यार ये हम चंडीगढ़ में crazy हो रहे थे.
Yeah, what you grow up with. Yeah, but yeah,
Yeah.
Kerala it does hit. When I went recently also, I'm like, you never go a stretch of road without
Yeah.
like greenery.
Even
It
Kochi was so pretty.
it's basically there's space between buildings. There's
Yeah.
something here, and then
Yeah.
the next thing is there.
Also,
It's not
essentially,
like tick, 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 tick,
Yeah.
essentially they've not made anything. Everything has a rural touch to it.
Yeah.
Even the big cities, they've not
Yeah.
let it become fully
Correct.
like a.
Can't do hills. That's one strict rule I have now.
You don't go to
Yeah,
hills.
really?
No more Indian hills.
Did something happen?
No, everywhere there's landslide, bro. Like it's like there's, and it's not because I don't trust like God, this one, all those things. It's just that there is enough happening in terms of deforestation and companies, their land is being sold there that you don't know.
But this is exactly in Munnar. I was right now, and our car driver, he was showing off sites as here landslide happened 2 years ago.
Yeah.
It's like here, this whole thing gone.
Yeah.
Died. Here died.
Yeah.
They died here. And my mom was like, go fast over here.
Yeah.
Don't stop.
That's
here.
why simply.
But beach where you can tsunami.
Tsunami will have early warning is there, no, at least.
Fair
And
enough.
tsunami, I mean, Adani is not causing the tsunami, right? It's not
Nice,
that
good
fucking
point.
there's
Not
a-
yet.
Not
He's
yet.
not figured
yet.
out the ocean yet.
Yeah.
He's
नहीं
still
यार
working
seas
on
में भी तो
land.
oil spills वगैरह हो
Oil
रहे हैं
Oil
spills.
मतलब
spill, तो how will it affect?
It affects the fauna.
See,
but
landslides का भी एक common landslide areas और उसकी
So
भी
the
warnings
one
वगैरह
in
तो आ जाते हैं.
Wayanad, where Wayanad or Munnar, I
Munnar
forgot
was
which
one, huh.
day, like 2 years back, the landslide, dude.
it was
That was
serious.
insane.
That was,
it like a part
बहुत
of the
serious
whole
होता.
thing just like fell off, right?
Yeah, and it's just you can't predict it. That's true. That's like they just put the fact that they're just putting a sign saying, "Hey, landslide happens here."
Yeah.
and deal
Common
with it.
landslide,
Yeah,
yeah.
Which
hey,
is
be
quite-
careful.
yeah.
Landslide happened. As if when it comes, you'll be like, oh, okay,
yeah,
let me
I'll-
get out of here.
I'll just cover my head. I'm like, that's fine. I'll take care of the landslide.
But
right.
hills कितने सुंदर होते हैं यार.
No, it's true. I'll go outside and go to hills.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you won't go to Indian hills, but you'll go to out
Yeah.
foreign
Yeah.
hills.
Yeah.
Wherever
वो
it
लोग
is,
भी तो कर रहे हैं ये सब.
they are, I mean, you know what? I trust.
You trust multinational
Did,
corporates.
I mean, we
We
can
put
cut
a
this
headline
off,
here
where
like, Gotham goes to Pakistan for for mountain trip.
if you say international, you say Pakistan.
Straight
right?
to
Goes to
Pakistan.
Pakistan. and
Gotham trusts Pakistani
Afghanistan.
civil engineers over Indian ones. That is what Aaj Tak will take away from this
No,
conversation.
this, some recent, what Aravalli Ranges, like reclassification.
Yeah, anything
they said that
100
anything
100
100%,
feet.
90% of the whole thing
Yeah.
was under 100.
So they're going
What,
to
huh?
destroy the Aravallis basically completely. Like they've reclassified it so that like the Adanis
Mine.
of the world can mine it.
They said that below. if
नहीं
it-
यार ये तो बहुत हो चल रहा है.
Yeah, I mean, you know, in even our forest, RA forest and
हाँ
all this, it
कितना
just keeps
पीछे ही
going
पड़
on
गए
and
यार
on and
इसके.
on.
छोड़ ही नहीं. Every time the High Court intervenes and be like goes like नहीं
Yeah.
कर सकते ये.
Yeah.
लोग फिर किसी दूसरे तरीके से अभी तो I think कुछ order आ भी गया है कि काट सकते हैं.
Yeah.
कुछ
and
45,000
honestly, whenever I
trees.
see leopard attack human, I'm like, I get it.
Yeah.
Why would you not? You took away the leopard's land. What is it going to do? It's going to, where is it going?
सही बात है.
Yeah, did you give it like a
Yeah.
redevelopment?
Yeah, put them in a flat somewhere at least.
See, ऐसे
Just a
बुरा तो
leopard
लगता
being
है.
like, bro, 2 more years till I can move back.
But
Yeah.
ऐसे रोड जब होती है रोड नेक्स्ट टू अ कोस्ट अच्छा तो लगता है.
It looks nice, you're saying.
सुंदर लगता है and it feels great that wow I'm able to traverse this area.
I love the coastal road because not for that reason. I like it because of the rich people who had houses facing the sea and now there's a road. Like they thought it's just the sea and me. Now we're all driving past. Like, yeah.
Coastal road, which one? The other.
That goes from here to मतलब
Yeah,
north
so it's
में,
like this winding
हाँ.
and वो
Yeah.
थोड़ा flyover type है.
Yeah.
And it has obstructed the view of most
it goes down to
buildings,
South Bombay
yeah.
completely
Okay.
from here.
स्पेसिफिकली वर्ली में
Okay.
वर्ली का सी फेस ही क्योंकि वो पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया और अब वो उन्होंने पूरा नया बनाया फिर विच इज लाइक मच
Yeah, so it's
further
like
ahead.
just to add a little bit of like the look is not as good as it was.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
enough.
Yeah,
That's
the
enough.
whole of
Dude.
India, Mumbai is driving past.
I said, dude, that was one deadly reality check. Which one moment, one Mumbai, like
Yeah.
people write about this Mumbai moment, right?
Yeah.
I witnessed that. Like there was some house that we were looking at when we were trying to move over here. And we went to this guy's house, who's the owner of that
Yeah.
house. We are going to negotiate.
Yeah.
And he's like, it's a apartment, penthouse, sea facing. This guy's a banker, investment banker for like 25 years.
you were
30
going to stay there.
No, we were going to move. And no, we were not going to stay there, but it was his house that we were going to. He was the landlord.
Oh, अच्छा, okay,
So
okay,
we were
sorry.
going to negotiate the rent.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
Right?
Sorry.
So we go to this guy's house, and me, whoever I was moving in with
Yeah.
that time,
Who?
I mean, my girlfriend
Yeah,
only,
okay,
right? Right, and a broker was there,
Yeah.
and this guy is there, and this guy, we're talking on that, and he was like, "Let's stop negotiation, guys. Let's have a drink. What say?" Okay, and then
Oh,
we're drinking.
wow.
I'm trying like small talk just to get him to reduce the rent a little bit. And I was like, well, you have a nice view, man. How does it, you like it? Huh? He was like, Gotham, I don't really like it, because in the morning, there's a lot of smell of fishes that come from
Okay.
here. And I was like, okay. And you see that settlement over there? It's a fisherman settlement. Okay. And then I was like, okay. And then that broker was like, I stay there.
man,
Yeah.
it's too real.
Yeah. I was like, all right.
Man,
Okay.
it's like, yeah.
Okay, whatever, dude. Whatever.
Oh, man.
So sad.
Yeah.
Wow, as you just described a scene.
Like,
matlab,
Yeah,
like
it's
a
such a-
proper.
I'm trying
moment it was.
to set that on fire one night, that whole settlement, and then I'll enjoy the fumes from the
Yeah.
burning settlement.
Burning fish. I love the smell of
Yeah,
burning
burning.
fish.
Deep fried fish.
Yeah. Not raw fish.
Yeah.
Or slums. I don't like slums.
Slums are not. I'm not a slum
What?
dog.
How did he respond?
He was just like, that's all right. Like he was not angry. He was like, it's that power thing is
Yeah,
so
it's
good.
not,
He was
there's
like,
no anger. It's like,
I stay
huh.
there. Like he was
It's
telling me
like,
in
I
private.
get it. I
And I was
also-
like, oh my god, this is so
It's
bad.
like if you read the White Tiger, it tells you that
Yeah.
side of India, which is just like
This is like Parasite. This is like that whole like
Yeah,
Parasite scene I
yeah.
had over there where I was like,
yeah,
oh.
tough. But why did you move in then after that? Why are you in that?
No,
house?
because he did that
Uh,
this guy, dude, this is a deadly negotiation strategy. He was like, Gotham, with that house is my wife, it's her pet project. If I intervene in that, she will not let me sleep. I was like, okay, this
Okay,
negotiation
got it,
tactic
got
I
it.
know.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
the rent was 1 lakh. We wanted to bring it to 80K.
Hmm.
Okay, and I was like, please, today she's in an all-day meditation. Gotham, like her phone is switched off.
Hmm.
If you want, I can drop her a message saying that 1 lakh, you guys are ready to move in. I was like, drop her a message that 80K can be moved in. I was like, oh, okay, I will try and all those things. And nothing.
no,
He was
meditation
like-
is
Yeah,
extended.
meditation.
10 days more meditation now.
It
then
never
it
got
didn't-
over, yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing. Now, it's the tactic of
Yeah,
like
yeah, of
my
course,
wife.
of course.
Oh, she will not. Like she
It's-
will
मैं तो
hit
देना
me.
चाहता हूँ तुम्हें,
Yeah.
but
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
Oh, this is a
stopping
great
me.
thing. Like, look rich enough that no one will be shocked that your wife is in an all-day meditation. It'll
No,
be like
and
normal.
it's a fake. Like she has all the power,
Yeah.
right? He obviously
Fuck,
he's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
one.
he-
She takes the calls.
Yeah, she takes the call. She won't let me. Oh, she
Yeah,
will.
classic move.
Yeah, I was like, okay,
Someone-
whatever.
She only knows.
You're
That
also
would-
looking for apartments right now, no?
Yeah.
How's
we
that
are.
going?
Yeah, that's. मतलब it requires stamina for sure and it's like really. So अभी कुछ ना एक नया रूल आया इसके रील्स बहुत पॉपुलर हो गए थे कि like homeowners can't charge you deposit. Like deposit can't be more than 2 months of rent.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a rule that's been passed or if it's been
like
suggested.
an unwritten rule that here it's 6 months or something they used to
6
take.
months नहीं है भाई.
No, here
but
it's 3 months.
4
Bangalore is
months.
6 months.
Yeah, Bangalore is 6
Bangalore
months.
is
Yeah.
6 months. I
Minimum.
thought here it's
No,
maximum.
Minimum
Bangalore,
6
the
months.
rent is not that high, but they take 6 months deposit.
Now both
6
are now
months.
both
Yeah,
even
both are.
rent is also getting high,
Yeah.
and now 6 months is like if you get lucky, it's
Yeah.
like 6 or 5 months. Generally, it's like 8,
Yeah,
9.
they take crazy deposits in Bangalore. Yeah,
Why? But ऐसे बैंगलोर में बहुत डिफॉल्ट कर रहे हैं क्या लोग?
I don't know.
It's because before it used to be the rent was low and it was high deposit, but now the rent also has gone up.
That's insane. बैंगलोर में कुछ रेगुलेट ही नहीं हो रहा है क्या अब ये ऐसे कुछ भी
नहीं.
It's
कंज्यूमर
pure corruption,
फेसिंग
yeah.
चीजें?
No,
they
no.
just
ना
make money
ऑटो
off your
पे वो
interest.
ये सब.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Plus,
Absolute
it's
mess.
mostly like what do you say, migrant workers.
Yeah.
So there is also that thing where
Yeah, like
we
deal
don't
with
care.
it.
Yeah, deal with
deal
it.
with it. We are trying to
It's
actually
newly migrant, right? Not like
Yeah.
Bombay where like
It
it's a
has
part of the
been
DNA
a
types.
melting pot a
Huh.
while.
That's true.
But yeah,
Crazy.
you're looking for it. So the 2-month deposit is there.
Yeah, so 2 months we thought कि but कि अब ये अब रील्स पे आ गया फिर तो ऑब्वियसली ये ऑफिशियल रूल है.
True.
Yeah.
ये तो ऑब्वियसली एनफोर्स किया
final,
जा रहा
yeah.
होगा भाई. मुझे रील्स पे दिख गया है. But it's not. It's like really when we mentioned this to our broker, he's like, देखिए ऐसा नहीं होता है. And I always thought the broker would be on
Your
like the
side.
tenant
Yeah.
side. like देखिए होम ओनर्स के लिए सही है क्या आप बताइए उन्हें. Like,
Yeah,
क्यों
सही
नहीं
है.
सही है भाई. क्यों नहीं
Why are
है? देखिए
you
उनके लिए
kissing
तो
the
नहीं है ना.
homeowner's ass so much? Oh my god. This is
Crazy.
terrible.
I'm like, I thought broker would be on the tenant's side. But yeah, Bombay mein to it's very. I've done one unsuccessful search before where I was trying to move out partially, and that never happened.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद अभी now this is
Yeah. It's a lot of work. I really struggle with searching for homes. I put it off just because I don't want to do the work. It's so much. Because also that you have to see a minimum number of houses. It'll never be like
Yeah.
bam and you got it. Also
Yeah.
that they'll do the strategy of showing you the worst one and then they'll say that is at the budget you want. So then
Yeah.
you pay more for a
Yeah.
better one. Like when
It's
I-
everybody's lying to each other.
Yeah,
Start.
everyone,
You are
everyone.
telling lower than your budget. They are saying showing the
Yeah, and
lower
budget
thing.
is never enough. And
Yeah.
it was especially if you're searching for a house with Aman, तो वो तो it's like he's a perfect homeowner's dream कि ये तो किसी भी रेंट पे मान जाएगा
he just
ये
agrees,
बंदा.
yeah,
He's just like he's like a negotiator's dream कि ये सारे negotiation tactic वो अमन पे चलेंगे.
हाँ.
Like वो कि this whole thing of कि इतने में कुछ अच्छा नहीं आपको
हाँ,
बजट
fair,
हाँ
fair.
ठीक है फिर हम लोग डबल कर देते हैं डबल कर दे क्या कर सकता है अभी क्या कर सकता है पागल है क्या भाई
You want to
We
pay
should- we
our
have to
rent
push
and someone else's who's not paying the right amount. We want to pay that.
Yeah,
much.
listen, we need to look at more expensive. This is not working.
He made
After
takes that
one
guy's
day-
side, right?
Now you're
One
alone.
day
yeah.
of looking at
it's like
houses.
broker, homeowner, and Aman on that
On the
side.
same
You're
side.
alone now. Trying to bring
Like,
it down.
Shrija, you need to really increase your
He's
budget.
oh
Shrija,
God.
minimum I will pay a lakh or I'm not moving in.
Yeah, it's not just that this person is bad at negotiating. He's in the way. He's like this happened with our like venue also, wedding venue के negotiation में. We are having like a proper ऐसे bidding war है वो चल रहा है मेरे और उनके बीच में जो वो वेन्यू का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है एंड Aman, can you imagine the guts? In the middle of that, he's like, okay, I think we're going around in circles now. I'm like, पागल है क्या भाई?
The circle is getting smaller. Come on, guys.
How I'm like, are you
It's like,
mad?
you
How
brought
can-
it down and he's like, we're going around in circles. He takes
Yeah.
it back to the beginning about.
Can you imagine? He gets embarrassed if you like
Yeah.
negotiate.
Yeah,
in
they're
front of
exactly
a-
playing on that hope that you're
Yeah.
embarrassed. But
Yeah.
if you show you're ready to be dirty, then they're like, okay,
Yeah.
this person is a real fighter. Once they showed us a house when Aman and I were looking at one house. The house, that tactic of showing us a house in the budget we
yeah,
want.
budget, yeah.
It was literally there were two ghosts living in that house. There were two women there. One was just facing the wall when I walked in, and she was in a hoodie and she was just, it was like a horror film. And the house had hundreds of piles of clothes and books all mixed together. It was like a hoarder's house and dust on all of them. And the people had dust on them. Like that house had never been, like no one had been inside.
Yeah.
And he showed us that for our budget. And we were like, show us anything else right now. The next house he showed was very bad, but we agreed. Luckily, the next day I found the house.
Yeah.
Just
the-
on a whim, one more I saw, and I told that Arman immediately cancel that. This one has sunlight. That had no sun entering. it.
Exactly,
They
dude.
gave us one dungeon.
Yeah. I think it's horrible to see a house when like the previous owners are still there or something.
Yeah.
Not horrible, but it's like उससे idea नहीं
Yeah,
मिलता
you're
घर
seeing
का.
their the layout of the place and
Yeah.
what they've done.
That's what, like, and that also, like, I don't know, one of the houses that we had looked, there was one house in which one room, a baby is there. A baby is sleeping. And
Yeah.
like, just silently go and check the room.
But I gotta
I
check
was
the
like,
room.
bro, I'm going to live here. What do you want to
That's
silent?
the room. There is a leak. There is something wrong in that room. Below the crib, there is a hole.
Trap door.
There's a hole, and you can see the floor below. They're eating dinner.
Like, come on. Like, take the baby out.
There's a hole in the floor.
no light. You can't switch on the light also.
No,
so you had
and
like
baby sleeping.
tiptoe
Yeah.
and you had to go around.
Yeah.
We came outside. I was like, bro, I don't know. I don't remember that room.
You go to a house and there's a baby in every room.
Everywhere.
One room, baby in every room. Shh, this room also you can't come.
Yeah, baby. Don't discuss anything.
Yeah, and then it's very disgusting. You want to check the bathrooms
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
But in a lived-in house, you don't want to check
Yeah.
their bathroom
Yeah.
and all.
In
Just,
Bangalore. And the thing is that, I think there's a guy smell which I think we are used to, right? Like all guys living in a house, we are used to that
Sure.
smell, right? So there's once where she went in Bangalore when we were searching for a house. She had gone and
Yeah.
seen one house. She was like, this house was nice, but the smell was just
Yeah.
something about that smell. I was like, come on, it can't be that bad. And she's like, dude, it's something I couldn't decide. I was like, come, tomorrow we'll go. Tomorrow, next day morning, I went. I was like, bro,
Normal.
if these guys go, it's gone. Don't worry about
ये
it.
तो मेरे घर जैसा लग रहा है मुझे.
It's just 3 guys are here. That's the only problem. These 3.
It's so, dude, जो male home aesthetic इतना ज़्यादा obvious होता है. It's like most of
It's
like
universal
bachelor,
also,
huh?
yeah, worldwide.
Yeah, it's like there's no vertical furniture.
Yeah.
So there's nothing that's stored like
Yeah.
in shelves.
Yeah.
It's all on the ground
Everything
level.
is
Yeah.
Very
in
much.
boxes.
Very much.
नीचे.
I
It's-
saw a meme like that. I'm like, guys will be happy with this, and it's like on mattress
And a TV.
I'm like, dude, this is my house exactly. I need to not be this meme at least.
What is one furniture item you'll buy in your new house? Come on, yaar,
I will
Shami.
be buying a lot now. I'll get a nice lamp. I want a nice lamp.
Lamp is the first thing he said. What an idiot, yeah.
Arey, I have table already.
Bed. What about a bed?
Oh, bed. Oh, yeah, bed.
Bed. Fucking cupboard, dude.
Cupboard also. Yeah, sorry.
He's
The reason why I stopped staying in Hillendale was because how can I ask for a bed when he doesn't have a bed, dude? He doesn't
That's
have
what
a
I
bed.
do. That's what I lower your.
He still went for mood lighting first.
No, I forgot. No, bed.
Mood
100%.
lighting and then on the floor.
100%.
Have sex
Or
on the
a
floor.
lamp.
I like to
I
live
want,
like
like,
I'm on Everest base camp at all time.
A
It's like
tent.
it's just that I can remove it, put on my backpack, and just
You have that
start
sleeping
climbing
thing, right?
again. it is like a tent. No, this time I will start with a proper
I
home.
cannot believe it. You said lamp, yaar. Matlab,
Sorry,
Yes,
I
yeah.
was trying to impress you with a niche pick. Bed, though, of course, is I guess society is telling me you must
it's
get a bed.
insane. ऐसे unmatched curtains वगैरह में
Yeah.
like y'all are just y'all don't even see that your curtains are unmatched
That's
like
true.
in print and height and everything.
No, I see it at some
It's
point.
like a little dirty curtain, right? Or like a skirt is a little up, right? Of the curtain.
Yeah, it's like a mini skirt.
An asymmetrical.
It is a mini skirt.
Guy.
Little,
Yeah, it's just pure function over form. Like,
Yeah,
it does the job. I get it. What you mean? It
It's
looks
not even,
fucking
and it's
ugly.
like a function also like jitna zarurat hai.
Yeah.
Like not even complete because like at one point there was only half a curtain.
Yeah.
So half the windows
Yeah,
open.
actually, it's back to that now because the full curtain I've put it for wash and then I didn't put it back. I'm like, who's gonna put it on again?
Dude, like 2 weeks back, I had come to Mumbai for like 3 hours. Okay, morning I reached and I had some gig in the afternoon. I had to go. So I told I'll come. I'll stay there for 3 hours. I came there. We were in the hall. We were talking for 3 hours. We were talking. Third hour, I was like, "Hey man, like." You guys don't open the window or what? And he's like, no man, mosquito will come. I was like, what are you saying?
There's a lot of
Ventilation.
there is a lot of mosquitoes.
I
That is
feel like
true.
mosquitoes can be like they might
Negotiate.
be born inside now. They don't open the window.
You guys don't know how much mosquitoes love my
Fucking
blood. It's
in
a different
peak
level.
nice pleasant weather outside is 42 degrees inside.
That is true. It's so hot inside the
I'm like
house.
breathing heavy inside. Dude, something's
They
wrong.
switch on their fan to dry their clothes. तो अंदर उसका भी पूरा evaporation घूम रहा है. It's fucking humid.
Ah,
in their
man.
drawing room.
That is true. That is true. No,
You have a
the-
liquid detergent, you have your aerosol detergent, you have.
They have created their own ecosystem,
Yeah.
dude.
it's a warm, musty environment for fungus to thrive in.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, no,
Before they used to open the kitchen one. Now construction happened over there. They closed that also. Now it's on hot box. You come
kind
in
of
with whatever
hopeless.
you brought from outside, you come in.
It's like now it's like because soon this guy Aman's gonna move out and I'll also move out. It's at a place where I'm like, if I try to fix this right now, it's
Yeah.
too much work. I gotta finish this one, start
Yeah.
fresh.
Yeah, it's insane. Like Aman to in his room, it's like how unused the windows
Yeah.
are. कि उसने जो विंडो का वो सिल होता है उसके ऊपर ऐसे पोस्ट कार्ड्स और पोस्टर्स वगैरह लगाए हुए हैं. So like say you cannot open the window.
Dude,
So
Aman-
everything will
like a
come
lock.
falling.
Dude, Aman had a whole pigeons family
It is
nesting above the AC. He didn't even know until the smell from his room entered my room. And I'm like, what is that smell? And I went and told him, and he's like, oh yeah, some pigeons have been living. And they're like, they've lived there for months for the smell to reach my room, and it's like insane smell.
Yeah.
Incredible smell.
Yeah.
But eventually, yeah, they were
मेरे तो
removed.
घर पे भी हो चुका है pigeon का nest.
Yeah, yeah, they. I
मेरे
mean,
रूम
this-
के अंदर था एक बार.
inside.
The pigeons come inside and they make an entire nest.
you-
I'm in the balcony, right?
They come into हमारे घर के तो विंडो के अंदर आ जाते हैं वो. Cause we don't have that वो
Oh, grill.
grill
No,
है.
No.
net,
Okay.
net.
The net.
Net,
जो
okay.
nets. to
That's
keep
the main thing.
birds.
You need nets for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, they
I
can't.
mean, that's
A
something you
grill.
could have found out like 3 years back when
No,
you
I
moved
knew
in
we
also.
need nets. We knew. Oh, no, the pigeons are not a problem. That's fine. We can handle them. But we need to put a mosquito net. Otherwise,
Yeah.
mosquitoes are crazy in that. Like,
Yeah.
I like.
But now it's too late. Now your lamp is coming, which will ward off the mosquitoes.
I want to sleep on top of the lamp. It's a bed-shaped lamp,
When you lie down, it lights up.
like some future Blade Runner 20, whatever year that is. So we're gonna do our famous
Celebrated segment.
Small
So
talk.
celebrated.
It's called Small Talk Different Year, and this time we are in the year not too long ago this year compared to some of the years we've done. We are in the year 1999, and we're just continuing our conversation 1999.
Yeah.
And let's go, guys. They're talking about this BlackBerry. I don't know if you know about this.
Blackberry.
Not
Blackberry
the fruit.
99
Not the fruit, huh? Yeah.
Blackberry was there.
there in
Yeah,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
not in India, but it was already a thing.
wow.
So I'm saying, the guys, they're talking about this
They're
BlackBerry.
talking about it. What is it?
It's like a phone,
Yeah.
like a mobile phone, right?
Oh
It's
yeah, yeah. I
becoming
was
a
like,
thing.
Phone
Sony
like
Ericsson. I've seen the Sony
telephone?
Ericsson one.
Telephone, but not connected to the wall. You can move around with it.
Whoa.
Cordless.
Cordless.
Okay.
But it's
और
not.
नहीं
It's
MTL
beyond
का
cord.
कनेक्शन मिल गया उन्हें. मैं तो वेट लिस्ट पे हूँ 2 साल से.
इंडिया में नहीं आया अभी भी, but उसमें बहुत it has lot of keys. It has like every button का key है. Like in your normal phone, there's just numbers, right? Letters are there. Every letter of the alphabet.
Letters.
Yes. Scientific calculator है उसमें.
What?
सब है.
What?
And they're saying it's a revolution.
Yeah.
Once it comes, there'll never be like it'll be the way phones will be in the future.
You can
forever.
find out everything from there after that.
everything.
Man, I hope we can find the truth out
About?
that. Let's finally find out that 1999 when Australia they defeated us with that metal bat.
Oh man, 90. Why are you saying about our year like like it's another year?
World Cup, 99 World Cup. This
Oh,
year's
the
World Cup.
This year's World Cup.
This year's World Cup. Yeah.
This year's World Cup.
Cup.
Oh man. Oh,
Yeah,
there it was.
metal bat
अच्छा
and all
नहीं
those
था
things.
वो.
Yeah.
Right.
Was it
India.
in which match was this? I don't remember.
This was the final.
Yeah.
It wasn't cricket.
I don't think we played the final in '99.
99 World
2003.
Oh. Oh no!
In the future.
Well, in the future
Yeah,
we
in the
play.
future,
Oh,
yeah.
then this is not.
ये
was this?
अजरुद्दीन की
Pakistan.
कैप्टनसी.
Pakistan.
versus again your.
We are really
My bad.
struggling.
I'm
yeah.
always in the future.
अजय जडेजा मुझे सही नहीं लगता है. आई थिंक ये कुछ फिक्सिंग वगैरह कर
क्यों
रहा है.
ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है?
मेरे को थोड़ा सा लग रहा है इसका
हाँ,
कि
क्या?
थोड़ा सा लग
Fielder
रहा है
अच्छा
ये.
है वो तो.
और कितने इजी
But
इजी
he-
शॉट्स छोड़ देता है यार.
He's a mediocre batsman. That's not a fixer.
Yeah, he's just
Right.
bad maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe
Okay.
both can be true.
Yeah,
maybe
it
both
could be,
can
yeah.
be true.
अजरुद्दीन
Yeah.
का भी मुझे लगता है मन
Nah,
नहीं है
no
ये सब
one can
अफेयर
beat
वगैरह
his
करता रहता
leadership.
है.
Azharuddin's leadership.
यार इसका बहुत ज्यादा hunches लग रहा है मेरे को कि this one is evil. This
अच्छा
one
नहीं
is.
लग रहा मुझे इसका.
Really?
सही नहीं लग रहा है. आई मिस कामली यार.
You miss
Yeah.
Kamli?
वो जब वो और सचिन साथ में होते थे तो.
That was the peak of cricket era. Honestly, after Sachin Kamli, it's like all downhill
Yeah.
from then. It's not been the
So it's-
same anymore.
It's not right.
It's been really sad. But anyway, I've
It's
been
not.
downloading songs on Napster. I don't know if you know about this.
Napster.
Yeah, it's a thing.
LimeWire.
Download क्या होता है?
LimeWire. Like,
Download नहीं पता तेरे को?
डाउनलोड नहीं पता मेरे को क्या
Which
होता
year
है.
is she from, guys? I don't know.
computer पता है?
कंप्यूटर तो वो उधर नासा में जो यूज कर रहे हैं.
Correct. वो आजकल
Correct.
घर में भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ किधर भी.
हाँ.
क्या बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Not that one.
लोग यूज कर रहे हैं.
Not the NASA
computer.
one. NASA one they use. You
Yeah.
can use
हाँ.
your own, not theirs.
तो
Personal
उसपे क्या
computer.
होता है.
कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
उसमें we can like play games,
Yeah.
like high graphics games like
Yeah.
Donkey Kong,
Yeah. Dave.
Oh, Dave.
Dave.
Dude, have you seen new Dave graphics?
No, it's
Dude,
crazy,
It's,
what?
it's 3D.
Hyper real.
Yeah, Dave 3D.
3D?
Yeah.
So it looks like from your perspective?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't even
What are you
imagine.
saying?
Dave, yeah, it's unbelievable. I don't know where games will go from now.
That's like, it's peaking too early, I feel, game.
Yeah, yeah.
This
It's
is like-
it's too
But I
real.
think it's a very bad influence for kids यार.
Yeah.
आजकल पूरा टाइम वो लोग ये टीवी के ही सामने बिता हमारे यहाँ तो नहीं है
हाँ.
तो उन्हें इस बगल के घर में जाना पड़ता है
Yeah.
देखने के लिए पूरा टाइम वही रहता है
Yeah.
Sad.
What are they watching on TV? Some music channel?
सम म्यूजिक चैनल बार बार डीडी देखने चले जाते हैं डीडी
Oh,
नेशनल
all day they're watching DD, yeah?
या देन दे वाचिंग दिस शांति आलोकनाथ का नया आया है ना शो
Oh, Alok.
Aloknath,
Yeah.
right?
हाँ,
That
Aloknath.
middle-aged man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
यंग है वो
हाँ drunk है ना? Oh, क्या
Young
क्या
है।
बोल रही है तू? She's just accusing everyone of things, man. There's no
Young.
proof that he's drunk, यार. It's 99 in our year 99.
99 में तो यंग है ना वो मतलब
हाँ,
अभी
but he
थोड़ा
never
सा
looked young. He's
हाँ.
never
Yeah.
looked young, if you remember.
He's never looked young.
He's
He's
always
never
looked-
looked young.
But he's a nice guy, no?
I think he's a nice
He's
guy.
nice यार अच्छा एक जेंटलनेस दिखती है
Yeah,
उसकी
one
आंखों में
calmness, serenity.
He's calm, you know.
He feels like he creates a safe space.
Yes.
I like calm people like that, you know,
Yeah.
like Bill Cosby. Calm.
Well, dude,
Calm,
what a guy. It's just relaxing.
calm comedian.
Puts me to sleep.
Yeah, respect that hustle.
Really?
Yeah.
Also, I don't know about you guys, but my friend said ki in Europe, right?
Ah.
They're all gonna have the same currency now. How does that even make sense?
What?
What?
Every country
What?
is like.
Which currency? Rupee?
Guess what it's gonna be called?
Pound.
Good guess, but off.
Russian.
Yes, one Russian, please.
One
It's called
Russian.
Euro, guys. Believe it or not.
Euro?
Yes, Europe.
What? EURO.
Oh,
Okay, EUR. Okay,
But
okay.
that's quite ingenious.
It's
yeah.
ingenious, you think?
Ingenious.
All countries, Germany and France, both are exchanging same currency.
हाँ ऐसे तो हमारा भी वैसे
Yeah, we are also like that.
So, हम Indian Union है basically. You are saying.
We are a federation of states.
Yeah, like, I don't understand हमारा रुपी क्यों है ends होना चाहिए हमारा भी
Oh, this is smart. Simplify it for everyone,
Yeah.
right? By the way, what is the conversion rate right now? It must be like 1 rupee is like, I don't know, 40. Sorry,
No,
$1 is 40 rupee
yeah,
types?
40. It's a lot,
40?
man.
It's out
I
of
think
lot.
10 या कुछ होगा
10 या कुछ क्या 10 तो नहीं
99,
लगता है
99,
I don't think
40,
you're
50,
keeping
40,
track
50
of let me
40
check
तो
the
यार
market
2008 I think projected है कि 2008 तक 50-60 पहुंच जाएगा
let me check the markets right now in the year 99
ब्रेड कितनी एक्सपेंसिव हो गई है आजकल
Bread, हाँ.
मैं 6 रुपए की लाई हूँ पूरा
What?
पैकेट
Sourdough bread?
43 rupees चल
Waves
रहा है
भाई, हाँ.
43 rupees चल रहा है
43 चल रहा
10
है.
रुपए which
Yeah.
year are you in girl 10
What
रुपए
is
में भाई
pre-liberalization?
so but 40 can you imagine 40 something
It's too much.
What is the government doing? I think ये जब से privatization हुआ है ना, our
खराब ही हुआ है.
economy has really gone for a toss. I
Yeah.
feel.
it's Manmohan Singh's fault right everything
मनमोहन सिंह की कुछ बोलते ही नहीं है वो.
Brian,
Incredible.
did you watch the Made in India video?
there's some model at the end of the song everyone's talking
Yeah,
about
man. It's a Milind Soman.
this
Have you
guy
seen him?
he's all looking fit now everyone's like kya
Yeah.
body hai but yeah I'm sure
You
in
see,
like
it's
2
all
years
steroids. It's all
Yeah.
steroids.
and in 2 years he'll be out of shape then what
Yeah.
what will you do
Then
with
what?
your
You'll take your mother
ये
out
सब
for running.
superficial
Yeah.
होता है भाई, superficial
हाँ
होता
यार, work
है. ऐसे
on
तो कितने
inside.
मिल जाएंगे हमारे घर में.
हाँ यार millions of man enough
इतने
यार
fit
Yeah,
यार.
enough,
you work
enough.
on some other things fitness पे
Yeah.
इतना focus मत करो fitness का कोई game नहीं है
ये सही नहीं है. अच्छा अपना अनिल कपूर ही अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
Ever-
I don't
What a
think he
guy.
can compete with Anil. यार.
evergreen यार अनिल कपूर
नहीं कर
नहीं.
अनिल रियल लगता है.
तुझे उसका मुस्टैच रियल लगता है कि फेक
अनिल कपूर का
I think every strand of hair
Is
on
real?
his is real.
is real.
Yeah.
and it'll be there forever I feel like that
Yeah.
Yeah, and I
mustache-
think he doesn't even have to trim it. It grows only that much.
it stops
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
stops,
stops
that.
there.
Out of
It goes
respect.
out of
yeah,
respect
And then
It's
it
like-
bows
in perfect
it's like
symmetry.
I'm
Yeah.
perfect right now
Yeah.
Yeah.
beautiful beautiful
Is there an Anil Kapoor shirtless running video?
I don't know
Must
if there
be.
is. There's some shirtlessness.
This is shirtless photo shoot.
Photo
Yeah.
shoots are there,
Yeah.
no?
But in the future, I think we'll see more and more
We'll
of
see
him.
more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anil
he's-
Kapoor, man. I think that's a generation of talent that is going to just like change the industry, yeah? From Anil Kapoor onwards.
Yeah. Who are you thinking?
मतलब As in, अनिल के बच्चे हो गए हैं क्या?
He will, because the thing is, so much pedigree, acting
Yeah.
pedigree, and first of all, so much
Yeah.
testosterone.
Yeah.
He will have, I think, like 10 boy children,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And
हाँ क्योंकि आगे तो बॉय ही बढ़ा पाएगा.
yeah.
नहीं लड़की भी अच्छी बात है, ऐसा नहीं है. लड़की भी
हाँ,
होनी
लड़की
चाहिए,
भी होगी
मतलब
तो
ऐसा
she'll be
नहीं
one
है.
of the top actresses
Top
of our
actresses,
of our
yeah, like
country.
grounded.
और आजकल तो कितने वेन्यूज ओपन अप हो गए लड़कियों के लिए, टीचर, सेक्रेटरी,
आजकल ही
टाइपिस्ट,
open हुए हैं.
कितना कुछ है लड़कियों के
Typist?
लिए.
That has become women's job now?
Yeah, typist,
अरे
यार, big
यार.
time.
हाँ मतलब
Secretary.
अभी लेडीज का भी बन रहा है
Okay,
ये.
okay.
इसका भी योजना होगा अभी
Ladies
future में.
typist योजना.
That's right.
लेडीज टाइपिस्ट योजना है आजकल.
Oh my God.
We're really struggling today. But I think we have enough for
Yeah.
99. It's been a wonderful trip through the year.
Became political for no reason.
Yeah. Also, we can't talk about the one big thing that happened this
Yeah.
year because we
Yeah.
can't do any
But
jokes
we won
about
that war, so no problem.
it. So, if you enjoyed this is the end of the episode.
Thank you
Shrija,
very
you've been
much, Shrija.
awesome.
Thank
We are going to
you.
release this maybe
Right.
in 3 weeks. So,
Yeah.
if there's anything are you on tour, or if you want to plug anything or something.
Yeah,
coming up?
I'm not on tour, but around that time शायद एक और podcast का episode आएगा जिसमें मैंने same T-shirt पहनी है, but I just want to say that this is shot on different days.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
This is
And,
your
like,
plug.
I have a huge wardrobe to choose from. Just want to let it
Now
out
that's
there.
all they're gonna assume. Like since you've said this, they're gonna think about it. Until then, they weren't.
When is the next shoot?
Next.
No, just to get the people to understand that you're going to that shoot now.
You're going now or
Now,
to that
no,
shoot?
Next shoot, you're going for that?
हाँ अभी मेरा थोड़ा सा वो ये टिस बॉयज के साथ है.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice.
This boys.
टिस बॉयज.
Oh, that is this one.
या माँ कसम.
That's been shot already.
Yeah, it's been shot, no?
Cool. We
Macass.
are also not on tour actually.
We're not doing.
I
Yeah,
have
we're
some
done.
show.
We're at home.
Yeah, we're at home.
We are
but,
resting.
Wait, this is coming 3 weeks.
Yeah, yeah.
Before Jan 3rd, this will come.
Yeah, no, after. We are
After?
in Jan 12th, no, 17 now. December 17.
Yeah, so
That's
1,
21
2.
days from now. This is 3rd. Yeah, no.
Okay, if it comes out this Jan, I'm doing a show on Jan 3rd in Bangalore. If this is out, you can watch it. Come and watch it. If it's not,
If you see either of us on Book
Yeah,
My
just
Show,
book-
just come off.
Just come off. Yeah.
Just
Come
do
off.
it.
Yeah,
And-
so,
I'll
by the way, I opened Book My Show in Mumbai. Guess who's on Book My Show? Indrani Mukherjee.
Eh?
Yeah,
What she's doing?
theater.
But 99 में इंद्रानी.
No.
Book my show ही नहीं था. Forget
Please.
इंद्रानी मुखर्जी.
Sorry.
तब तक ब्लैकबेरी आ गया था क्या?
हाँ.
क्या बोल रहा है वो?
BlackBerry was
मुझे
invented.
लगा इंटरनेट तो जस्ट आ ही रहा था.
नहीं
I
नहीं.
was
मतलब
playing-
इंडिया में नहीं आया था.
I don't know if you could tell, but I was playing like a rustic Lucknow gentleman.
It's a good choice in this game. You can just sit back and be like,
Dude, there's a
कुछ
play.
नहीं पता मेरे.
Theater.
मुझे.
Yeah. Naika. Oh, she. Naika Bhumika. It is that
It's
Indrani.
her herself.
Yeah.
What the?
She's directing and whatever. Look, Indrani Mukherjee.
And what is the venue?
St. Andrews, Sophia Baba.
Why are we plugging her show right now?
Please.
The episode is not over.
Episode's over. Oh, episode over. Okay, okay.
Yeah, please like, share, subscribe, and hype, and put hashtag. What hashtag can you put? Hashtag anything? What did we talk
Wedding.
about? Okay, hashtag wedding if you got till the end, and
Sure.
Or hashtag
yeah.
drone if you didn't get to the
yeah,
end.
that's it.
All right.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye bye.